Today we are going to talk about a powerful and natural concept, yoga. It is a medicine, its benefits, treatment and daily healing routine. In this video we are going to know. Introduction. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. For thousands of years, yoga has been practiced not just as exercise, but as a complete healing system for the body and mind. In today's fast-moving world, stress, anxiety, poor sleep, back pain, and lifestyle diseases are becoming very common. Instead of depending only on medicines, many people are now turning toward yoga as a safe, natural, and holistic therapy. So in this video, we will understand how yoga works as medicine, its major health benefits, and a simple daily healing routine you can follow. What does yoga as medicine mean? Yoga as medicine means using yoga practices like postures, breathing exercises, and meditation to prevent and manage diseases naturally. Unlike modern treatment that often focuses only on symptoms, yoga works on the root cause of imbalance. It improves blood circulation, balances hormones, strengthens immunity, and most importantly, calms the nervous system. Yoga activates the body's natural healing power. When the body and mind are balanced, healing happens automatically. Benefits of yoga as medicine. Now let's look at the important benefits. Reduces stress and anxiety. Deep breathing techniques and meditation lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone. This brings mental peace and emotional stability. Helps manage depression. Yoga improves serotonin levels, the feel-good chemical in the brain. Regular practice reduces negative thoughts and improves mood. Controls blood pressure and heart health. Gentle yoga and breathing exercises relax blood vessels and improve heart function. Improves digestion. Certain yoga postures stimulate digestive organs and reduce problems like acidity, constipation, and bloating. Relieves back pain and joint pain. Stretching and strengthening exercises improve flexibility and posture, reducing chronic pain. Boosts immunity. Yoga improves circulation and lymphatic drainage, helping the body fight infections naturally. Improves sleep quality. Relaxation practices calm the mind, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. That's why many doctors today recommend yoga as supportive therapy along with medical treatment. Yoga therapy, how it works. Yoga therapy is a personalized approach. It means selecting specific yoga practices based on a person's health condition. For example, for anxiety, focus on breathing exercises and meditation. For back pain, focus on gentle stretching and posture correction. For diabetes, include twisting poses and relaxation techniques. Yoga therapy does not replace emergency medical care, but it strongly supports long-term healing and prevention. Simple daily healing routine, 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Now let me share a simple daily routine you can follow at home. Step 1. Deep breathing. Do it for 3 minutes. Practice slow inhalation and exhalation. You can try Anulom-Vilom breathing. This calms the nervous system. Step 2. Gentle stretching. Do 5 minutes. Do neck rolls, shoulder rotations, and mild forward bends to release tension. Step 3. Sun Salutation. Do 5 minutes. Practice 4 to 6 rounds of Surya Namaskar to energize the body and improve circulation. Step 4. Relaxation. Do 5 minutes. Lie down in Savasana. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. Allow your body to relax completely. Step 5. Short meditation. Do 3 minutes. Sit comfortably and observe your thoughts without judgment. If practiced daily, this routine can significantly improve physical and mental health. Important tips. Practice on an empty stomach. Start slowly if you are a beginner. If you have serious medical conditions, consult a doctor or certified yoga therapist. Consistency is more important than intensity. Even 15 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week. Conclusion. To conclude, yoga is not just exercise, it is a powerful natural medicine for the body and mind. It reduces stress, improves immunity, balances hormones, strengthens the heart, and promotes emotional well-being. When practiced regularly, yoga helps prevent diseases and supports long-term healing, naturally and safely. So start today. Begin with small steps, stay consistent, and experience the transformation. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay healthy, stay calm, and take care. I am glad to share this experience with you, and I hope it inspires you too. Our educational videos make learning simple and interesting. With useful lessons and good ideas, they help you grow every day. Thank you for watching. For more good videos, please like, share, and subscribe. G. Sobhanadri Rao.